The fourth industrial revolution is making the world of manufacturing move at an ever-increasing pace. While companies constantly look for smarter ways to accelerate time to market for new products, production engineers and product designers are challenged with continuous innovation, process optimization, and efficiency. These are key to gaining a competitive edge in the manufacturing business. At Bossard, we enable our customers to outstrip the competition with a new strategic service called Assembly Technology Expert. Using a three-stage methodology, we guide our customers' products from concept to production, right from the beginning. First, we help our customers design their product, focusing on fastening joints. In cutting-edge fastening design centers, Bossard's highly trained engineers accompany our customers' fastening design and keep close track of the total product life cycle costs. Considering that fasteners play a crucial role that far outweighs their costs, this has a huge impact on the overall productivity, as experienced by many of our customers. Second, we optimize our customers' assembly processes. How do we do that? Using proven methodologies, smart sensor and industrial analytics, we help our customers streamline every inch of their assembly processes. This leads to proven productivity. Third, at Bossard, we believed in sharing our expert knowledge. Tailor-made training sessions on engineering principles, applications, and technology create synergy in the mindset of our customers. Bossard's Assembly Technology Expert Service helps our customers slash their time to market and cut costs by as much as 40% or more. If you would like to learn how you too can benefit while further improving your production processes and achieving maximum productivity, then use Assembly Technology Expert and give us a call today.